To make garam masala, which is the essence of Indian food, good garam masala is a good end product, which gives the flavor to Indian food. Now there are lots of garam masalas that are there, but I'm showing you a common garam masala. Garam masala, believe me, is made from 10, sometimes 12, sometimes 14, sometimes more than 16 complete ingredients, which are all combined in various forms, quantities actually, various quantities, and they are mixed together, they are dry roasted, sometimes they are roasted in natural sunlight and then ground to a fine powder. So what I'm going to show you is a common garam masala which you can use at home or in your restaurants. Of course, I guarantee you it will give a good flavor. So garam masala I am showing you here, and look at the number of ingredients that go into making this garam masala. To make garam masala, you require half a cup of coriander seeds, 1/4 cup of cumin, around 25 to 30 pods of green cardamom, 6 to 7 bay leaf, 10 to 12 big cardamom, that is black cardamom pods, 15 to 20 cloves, 6 to 8 blades of mace. This is what is called an individual blade of mace. Mace also happens to be the top covering of nutmeg. 5 to 6 2-inch long cinnamon pieces, 2 florets of star anise, 1 tablespoon of fennel. They also call this aniseed. In India we call it badi sauf. 1 teaspoon of black pepper, which is whole black pepper. So let's mix all of this together as per the quantity that I've told you. Now, this is a basic combination of the garam masala. But this is absolutely basic, something which probably you would do in your house on a regular basis. What you need to do is dry roast this garam masala on low flame in your house on the burner. After dry roasting, what you need to do is grind the garam masala, all the ingredients here. When you dry roast, you get a great flavor. So all the spices in here, and now you need to grind this to a fine powder. Let's check. It's become a nice powder. So what you need to do is, now when you grind garam masala, the whole house becomes fragrant. Indian food is quite good, nice and fragrant. So after you grind this, what you need to do is, you need to pass it through a sieve so that you get a fine powder. The big cardamom that you have used has a lot of fibers in it. Even the green cardamom has a lot of fibers in it. So if you pass it through a sieve, you get great powder. Now it has a lot of fibers here. Let's pass it through a sieve to get a great fine powder. That's what garam masala is. Now just pass it through a sieve. Closing kar leta hu. So what you have got now, you see, is a fine powder. So this is the sieved garam masala. It's nice, fragrant, and a clean powder. What you need to do now is store it in airtight pots and use it in all the gravies or kebabs that you make at home. I guarantee you, you'll get the best Indian food if you do such a great garam masala at home. Use it whenever you feel like, anytime, whenever you make Indian food. Garam masala just for you.